Okay, now I'm having it recording. I'll help you. They're going on their flight.
I need somebody to hold it so I can start shooting.
I can't hold it by myself in the camera.
Mommy.
What?
I need you to hold it.
Oh, poor kitties.
We're taking lift off. Booger, we have trouble. But we can't hold it this much longer.
That works.
It's a sports car.
It's still a rocket.
We can't stop, sir. Make a super triple hoop. Okay. But he's
Booger abandoned the flight.
Booger got injured in the flight. I'm afraid we have to end this. Flight is canceled.
Oh, I'm gonna crash. Alright, you want to take it apart now? Or fix it, you know what I mean.
I want to see that.
Captain Stone.